On this episode, I tack it in.
Tap it in. Just tap it in.
My damn grinder won't work. And we have a discussion about beer. First things first, make the plans. Make the size you want. Draw everything up. Side ends, sides, bottom piece, and how you want it to be. Next thing on the list, cut the plates. Put them next to each other, see if they line up. Let's start tacking. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I'm only tacking on the bottom so I can bend it upwards and square it up. Just tack it in. Tack it.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in.
It's starting to take shape. Starting to look like a box. Square them up and tack it again. It's not every day you make something exciting. Today is just a box. But no matter what, love what you do. Always wear your safety gear. Everything's stacked up, lined up just the way you like it. Start welding. You just need a few welds. You don't need to weld the whole thing up. It just needs to hold. If you want to make a leak-proof box, then you weld the whole thing. I have my Miller Matic set up at 19.5 volts and 225 wire speed. Perfect for 3mm plates. Some nice basic welds. Oh, missed a spot. Yeah, I know, the make point is really dirty, but hey, it's Friday afternoon. When the plate glows red on the other side, that means you get good penetration. almost done. Now you're gonna cut the side ends. Can't cut if you don't plug it in. Forgot the whole extension cord. Let's go. Ah, come on, it still doesn't work. Third time's the charm? Yep. Choose any type, size or form you want for a handle. I'm just using a basic pipe. I hate galvanized, but it's just some small welds. Stick it in there, square it up. Come on, man, let me work. If you can't beat him, join him. There you have it. Some kind of a box. Not bad.
Y tú otra vez con tu café.
Here she is, finished project. Red, nice and shiny. Thank you so much for watching, boys. I hope you enjoyed this video.